The chip is immersed in 1x protein wash solution by grasping the long side where there is no channel with the help of forceps, and the chip is moved 4 to 5 times in the solution with the forceps. There should be no air gap in the channels. The chip is placed in the solution. For 1 min, the falcon is rotated by hand, on a shaker or roller at low speed. The chip is removed from the 1x protein wash solution with the help of forceps. To remove the fluid in the duct, the chip is pressed against the absorbent pad through the duct openings. The chip coated with antigen/antibody is immersed in the blocking solution at the appropriate temperature by holding it by its long sides with the help of forceps. The chip is moved 4 to 5 times in the blocking solution with the clamp. Thus, the air in the channel is removed. Make sure that no air remains in the channels. Otherwise, the blocking stage cannot be performed properly. Depending on the preferred blocking method, the chip is incubated in blocking solution overnight in the refrigerator for 16 to 18 hours, or at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 hours.